Have you ever walked from your living room to your kitchen and wished your music followed you perfectly without cutting out or losing quality? Then you're in the right place, because today I'm counting down the 6 best AirPlay 2 speakers for whole home audio. I ranked these speakers based on sound quality, multi-room performance, ease of use, smart features, and overall value. And if you want to check current deals or read more reviews, make sure you check the links in the description below. Starting at number 6, we have the Edifier MS50A Smart Wi-Fi Speaker. This speaker is one of the more affordable ways to get into the AirPlay 2 ecosystem. It has a compact design that doesn't take up much space, and it looks clean enough to blend into almost any room. The thing I like about the MS50A is how simple it is. You get Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth support, and AirPlay 2 compatibility in one package. Setup is pretty straightforward, and once connected to your network, you can group it with other AirPlay 2 speakers around the house. Sound quality is respectable. Vocals are clear, and the mids have a nice warmth to them. It's great for podcasts, casual listening, and background music while you're cooking or working. Where it falls behind the higher-ranked speakers is power and detail. The bass isn't particularly deep, and when you turn up the volume, it starts losing some of its refinement. The soundstage also feels narrower than the premium options on this list. Still, for someone building an entry-level multi-room system, the Edifier MS50A gets the job done and offers an easy way to experience whole home audio. At number 5, we have the Denon Home 150 Wireless Smart Speaker. Denon packed a surprising amount of performance into this little speaker. Right away, it feels more premium than many compact wireless speakers. The design is clean, and the touch-sensitive controls on top give it a modern appearance. The Home 150 supports AirPlay 2, Wi-Fi streaming, Bluetooth, and voice assistant integration. It also works with the company's multi-room platform, giving users plenty of flexibility. What really stands out is the sound. Despite its small size, it produces a rich presentation with impressive clarity. Vocals come through naturally, and instruments have good separation. Bass performance is better than you might expect from a speaker this compact. It won't shake your walls, but it delivers enough low-end punch to make music enjoyable. I also like how balanced the tuning is. Some smart speakers push the bass too hard or brighten the highs excessively. The Home 150 stays controlled and musical. The main limitation is that it's still a single compact speaker. If you have a large open living room or want truly room-filling performance, you may eventually want something bigger. But as a bedroom, office, or kitchen speaker, this one performs extremely well. At number 4, we have the Sonos Roam 2 Portable Waterproof Speaker. The Roam 2 is different from the other speakers on this list because portability is its biggest advantage. You can use it around the house and then toss it into a bag and take it outside. For people who already own Sonos products, this speaker fits beautifully into the ecosystem. AirPlay 2 integration is seamless, and grouping rooms together takes only seconds. This compact size is impressive. This thing is small enough to fit almost anywhere. I've seen people use it in kitchens, bathrooms, patios, and even on bedside tables. Sound quality is surprisingly good considering the size. Vocals are crisp, and there is decent bass response for such a tiny speaker. The automatic tuning feature also helps optimize performance depending on where it's placed. The waterproof design adds another level of versatility. If you enjoy music near the pool or while relaxing outdoors, this speaker handles those situations without worry. The reason it doesn't rank higher comes down to physics. Small speakers have limitations. It simply cannot create the same scale, depth, and authority that larger speakers can deliver. Still, if portability matters as much as sound quality, the Sonos Roam 2 is incredibly easy to recommend. Coming in at number 3, we have the Bose Smart Speaker 500. Bose has always been known for making compact products sound bigger than they look, and this speaker continues that tradition. The first thing you'll notice is the display on the front. It gives the speaker a premium appearance and provides useful information while you're listening. The biggest strength of the Smart Speaker 500 is how spacious it sounds. Bose uses custom drivers that direct sound in different directions, creating a wide presentation that makes the speaker seem larger than its physical size. Vocals are excellent. Pop music, acoustic tracks, and podcasts all sound clear and engaging. The highs have a nice sparkle without becoming harsh. AirPlay 2 support works exactly as expected. If you're using Apple devices throughout your home, streaming is effortless. I also appreciate how versatile this speaker is. It works well in a bedroom, office, kitchen, or living room. This weakness is bass depth. While it sounds spacious, it doesn't reach the same low-end authority or immersive experience that our top two speakers can produce. Even so, for listeners who prioritize clarity, ease of use, and a wide soundstage in a compact package, the Bose Smart Speaker 500 is an excellent option. At number 2, we have the Sonos Era 100 wireless smart speaker. This speaker represents a major step up. The Era 100 is one of those products that immediately makes you think, this sounds bigger than it should. Sonos redesigned the acoustic architecture, and the improvements are easy to hear. Stereo separation is wider, instruments feel more defined, and the bass response is noticeably stronger than previous compact models. The speaker fills medium-sized rooms with ease. Music sounds energetic and detailed without becoming fatiguing. I especially like how balanced it feels. Bass has weight, vocals remain clear, and the treble stays smooth. AirPlay 2 integration is flawless. You can place several Era 100 speakers around your home and control everything directly from your Apple devices. The entire experience feels polished and intuitive. The compact size also works in its favor. It fits comfortably on shelves, desks, kitchen counters, and nightstands. For many people, this speaker will be the sweet spot between size, performance, and convenience. The only reason it doesn't take the number 1 position is because another speaker simply creates a bigger and more immersive listening experience. And taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Sonos Era 300 spatial audio speaker. This speaker is on another level. The design looks unique, but every curve serves a purpose. Sonos engineered the speaker specifically for immersive audio, and the result is impressive. The first thing that hits you is scale. Music sounds massive. The sound spreads around the room in a way that makes traditional compact speakers seem small and confined. The bass is powerful and controlled. Vocals remain clear even in complex tracks, and the overall presentation feels layered and three-dimensional. Spatial audio support is where this speaker truly separates itself. Certain recordings create an almost holographic effect that pulls you deeper into the music. AirPlay 2 performance is excellent, and when paired with other compatible speakers around the home, the experience becomes incredibly engaging. This is the kind of speaker that encourages you to sit down and actually listen to music instead of just using it as background noise. If your goal is building a premium whole-home audio system and you want the most immersive single-speaker experience on this list, the Sonos Era 300 earns the number 1 spot. Now let's talk about how to choose the right AirPlay 2 speaker for your home audio setup. The first thing to consider is room size. Smaller rooms don't necessarily need massive speakers. Compact models often perform beautifully in bedrooms, offices, and kitchens. Larger open spaces usually benefit from speakers that move more air and create a bigger soundstage. The next thing is portability. Ask yourself whether the speaker will stay in one location or move around the house. Portable speakers offer flexibility that stationary speakers simply cannot match. You should also think about how many rooms you eventually want to cover. Some people start with one speaker and slowly build an entire whole home system. Choosing products that easily integrate together makes expansion much simpler. Sound preference matters too. Some listeners love deep bass and room-filling sound. Others care more about vocals and detail. Think about the type of music you listen to most often. Smart features can also make a difference. Voice control, app support, and easy device management all contribute to the overall experience. Placement is another factor people often overlook. Even great speakers can sound disappointing when positioned poorly. Give your speakers room to breathe and experiment with placement before making judgments. Finally, consider long-term value. A speaker isn't just about today's needs. Think about how it will fit into your home audio setup a few years from now. Any of the speakers on today's list can deliver a great AirPlay 2 experience, but the right choice depends on your rooms, listening habits, and how immersive you want your music to be. And don't forget to check the description below for links to all 6 speakers and the latest deals. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more audio reviews, and tell me in the comments what your current home audio setup looks like. Are you building your first multi-room system? Or have you already filled your house with speakers? I can't wait to hear what you're listening on.